Alright, hello and welcome to a new video. So today we're going to do like simple melody improvements. So like this isn't the only way to improve your melodies, you know what I mean? And this isn't every way to improve your melodies, you know what I mean? Like you can't just watch this video and never have to learn anything about melodies again, but this will help you improve your melodies. So I'm just going to make a melody and then I'm going to explain it. Okay? So just ignore me for a little bit, or kind of skip forward, or just watch me do it. I'm pretty sure you should watch me do it, and then I'll explain exactly what I did. Okay, so the first thing I did, I started out C sharp minor, right? See, this is a chord, okay? And then I just put another chord here, C sharp minor, right? Okay, and then I added a couple notes, just some random melody notes. So starting F sharp, which is outside of the chord, but in the scale, and then to a note that's in the chord, E. E isn't part of C sharp minor, and then F sharp, back to F sharp, and then into the next chord, right? So what that does is, see this note outside of the chord, it creates like a little bit of like tension, and then it solves the tension or whatever here at E, and then it goes back to the tension, and then it plays that chord again. So that's just one bar of melody, right? And then to make that into a 4-bar loop, which I'll probably, I'll take this and I'll just duplicate it for 8 bars. It probably won't even change much after this. So what I did was, you see this chord is technically like this, right? So F sharp, A, C sharp. So that's an F sharp minor, but then see I inverted that, so now it still has the same C sharp down here, and then it's the same melody, right? These three notes right here, just transposed up, you know what I mean? Okay, so this melody is just a copy of this melody with an inversion and just shift it up a little bit. Okay, so that's how we got the first 2 bars. Okay, and then the last 2 bars is the same thing, except there's just a little bit of variation. So G sharp, wait, hold on, F, E. So F sharp is the same, but then instead of E, F sharp, it's G sharp, A sharp. So it's not A sharp, but G sharp, A, right? Instead of this. So it's just a little bit of variation, and then another note added in, just to give it a little bit of, you know, more life, you know. And then here again, it's that same F sharp, E, G sharp, except the E is a little bit longer and then there's this other note. Fuck, I really forgot what I did. Like, I forgot what the old... I forgot what it used to be. Yeah, I think that's it. Right, hopefully. Yeah, okay. So it was B, A, G sharp. So it's pretty much just cloning that one chord in melody and then adding variation to it. You know what I mean? So and then you can, then you start layering it. Maybe you speed the tempo up and you grow speed it. Who knows? But it just gives you like a good way to start with your melodies. Is you start with a basic, like a building block of one bar, and then it adds. Not only does it add repetition, it also adds like variation to the repetition because you're changing a little bit as you go. So hope you guys learned a little bit of something from this video. Please leave a like, please comment, please subscribe.